I like ice. Okay. I've never tried ice before. I've always seen it on their website, but I've never ordered it. But this is really pretty. It's like an icy blue color, and I think it actually doesn't look too bam in your face. This is how ice looks on both eyes. And then this is how it looks from afar on both my eyes.
To be honest, I don't really have the feeling that there is something in my eye. I mean, I can feel that there is a contact, but it's not like really that heavy, and I'm not sure if it's a feeling that you have to feel, but, and the inner part is like actually really light. Do you see that? For that reason, it blends out really good with my own natural eye. Okay, let me also put in the other one. Alright, I am wearing both contacts and I am like, what? This is so crazy. And this eye that there is brown, but if I look like directly in the camera, and it just blends. This is amazing. This is so cool.
I'm a little obsessed with them. Like, I'm really excited. Okay, calm it down. Come on now, like, you guys are getting all, I went from brown to a beautiful gray, and then they're really comfortable on top of that. So let me get you guys zoomed in closer, because I'm just feeling myself.
Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Stamattina mi sono alzato e ho trovato l'infarto.
As I have mentioned on all my previous videos, I really prefer my contact lenses to not have such a dramatic big pupil hole, because then the contact lens looks too fake. And on these contact lenses, the pupil hole is just the right size and it looks perfectly fine, which makes it look so much more natural. Comfort level on these, they are great. I feel like I have nothing in my eye. They're very naked, very invisible. As I've said on all my other Anesthesia USA videos, I think these contact lenses feel very, very comfortable.
This is how it looks on my hand. So this is it with both of them in. So it kind of matches my shirt. If you guys can see, it's like a light blue. This is a very light blue. Yeah, it's like an icy blue. I've never worn this color before. What do you guys think? Does it suit me? Does it not? Leave it in the comments below.
Oh my god. These are so cute. Wow. Oh my god, I finally have the eyes I've always wanted. Do I look like Alyssa Violet now?